CAT 2025 LRDI slot 1. The first puzzle which we have, that's on the round table puzzle actually. As we always say in the CAT, as soon as we read the information, we're going to write it, so we don't need to read it again. So we're going to read it and we're going to make the arrangement right away. A round table has 7 chairs around it. The chairs are numbered 1 through 7 in a clockwise direction. So first of all, let's make a round table. Let's have a round table here. Now next, make the numbers 1 through 7 in a clockwise direction. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now there are 4 friends, Aslam, Bashir, Chhavi and Davies. We'll call them A, B, C, D to save the time. A, B, C, D sit on the 4 of the chairs. That means the 3 of the chairs going to be empty. In the starting position, A and C are sitting next to each other. That means they are sitting together along with each other. B and D, they're going to be having empty chairs on either side. That means there's no one along with them. They do not have any neighbors sitting along with them. So this paragraph is done. The friends take turns moving either clockwise or counterclockwise. That means they can move left or right. And the friend who has to move in turn occupies the first empty chair. The first empty chair, that means wherever they move, left or right, the first empty chair is there that they have to take. Now, Aslam moves first, A moves first, turn 1, then B, then C, then D, then again sequence goes on A, B and C. So there are 7 turns in total they are saying to us. The following information is known. The 4 friends occupy adjacent chairs only at the end of turn 2 and turn 6. That means in the beginning they are not together, and that is obvious from here also. Only, that is an important word. That means at only after turn 2 and turn 6 they should be all together. Davies occupies chair 2 after turn 1 and chair 4 after turn 5, and Chhavi occupies chair 7 after turn 2. Now, important information. The first turn only one person gonna move, that is A. Second turn B gonna move. Then Davies, D and Chhavi C after turn 1 and turn 2. That means they are at the same position where they were in the beginning. Quite clear. That means D occupies chair 2. So D was here in the beginning. And C was at chair number 7 in the beginning. So that is when they came and sat for the first time. Now, information at the top which we have, that B and D do not have anybody near to them. So there were going to be nobody on the chair number 1, nobody going to be chair number 3. A has to sit with C. That is also given here. Aslam and Chhavi sitting next to each other, they are neighbors. Now for B, we have option 5 and 4. 5 we can't take because if we make him at 5, that means on the left hand side he has Aslam, but that is not possible because they said they have empty chairs. B and D have empty chairs on either side. That means B has to sit at number 4. So let's make it sit at number 4 chair. Now that means nobody is at chair number 5. Now this is the initial position. Now the first question we get, let's see that. What is the number of chair initially occupied by Bashir? Now Bashir is at chair number 4. That means the answer to this, the chair number 4, that should be the answer I have. Quite clear. Let's move to the next question. The next question they say, who sits on the chair numbered 4 at the end of turn 3? So we need to take 3 turns now. Let's go back. Turn number 1. Let Aslam take turn number 1. Aslam took the first turn. Now Aslam can move to 5 or Aslam can move to 1. Let's make sure, we need to make sure that all the 4 students, all the 4 friends should be all together after turn 2. That means A and B has the chance to move and they all should be together. Now how they can be moved? If A comes at 5 and B comes at 6, there's still space between C and D. So that has to be filled anyhow. So first of all, this space has to be filled. Now that can be filled only by A, not by B. That means A has to move towards A, chair number 1. So let's remove A from here and A move towards chair number 1. So A comes here. Now the next turn is for B. The second turn is by B. Let's take a turn. Now B can move to either 3 or can move to 5. Of course, they have to be all together, so he'll only move to number 3. So this is after turn 2. Now the third turn has to be taken by Chhavi by C. Now C can move towards 6 or C can move towards 4. Both the options are available. But we know that now this information has been completed. This information also has been completed. Now D has to be at chair number 4 after turn 5. That means when D gonna make a move in the 4th turn, because D gonna get only once a chance, he should have chair number 4 empty. Getting the point? Chair number 4 has to be empty after turn 3. Now if I move C to 4, Davies will not have a place to sit at chair number 4. That means C should not move towards clockwise, she moved towards anti-clockwise. That means in the turn 3, C gonna come at chair number 6. Now D has the chance to move on the chair number 4. But before that, we have answer to our question. The question we had that who sits at chair number 4 after turn 3, there's no one. That means the answer to this question also, we're gonna get no one. Quite simple, straightforward question it was, doable. The question number 3 we had that which of the chairs are occupied at the end of turn 6. Now at the end of turn 6, that means we have to make 6 moves. 3 already we have done. Let's go towards the 4th move now. Now in the 4th move, if I know, now Davies has to be at chair number 4. They say turn 5, so please mind it, he has only chance to move at turn 4. So we need to bring him right now on chair number 4. So D comes from here and he moves to chair number 4 here. Now this information already has been used. So point number 2 has been completely used. This information has been used. The one information which has not been used now till now, that is turn 6. After that also they are all together. Now this is after everybody has taken one turn each. Now the 5th turn gonna be taken by A. Now 3rd and 4th has been done. Now the 5th turn gonna be taken by A. Now A will move in such a way that after B moves, they all should be together. Now if A comes here at number 7 and B comes here, that makes absolutely sense. But if A comes at 2, in that case if B moves towards 5, then 3 will be empty. They will not be all together. That means to make after everybody together after turn 6, for turn number 5, A has to move towards 7. So let's make him move towards 7. So in the 5th turn, A comes here. In 6th turn, now B gonna move from here. He'll come at 5. Now after turn number 6, they all are again together. This information already also has been used now. This is also done. Now the question also we had, after 6th turn, where all are they sitting? That is 7, 6, 5, 4. So that is 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the chair numbers they are sitting at. The last question of this puzzle. Which of the following best describes the friends sitting on chairs adjacent to one occupied by Bashir at the end of turn 7? So we have to see who is sitting along with Bashir at the end of turn 7. So 6 turns we have already done. We have to take one more. Now the 7th turn is for C. It's C turn. Now C gonna move from here either to 1 or she gonna move to 3rd. In any case, along with Bashir, we only gonna have D. We will not be having anybody here. So that means you're gonna have only one neighbor. So Bashir at the end, he has only one neighbor and that is D. So that solves the complete puzzle. The next we have, there's a different puzzle which will be solving the next class. I hope you guys understood it. See, CAT is all about picking up the right lines and writing it at the same time as per me, because as soon as you write the information you don't tend to go ahead and read the English, because once you read English again and again it sometimes confuses you. So to make a better understanding, it's better that we solve the puzzle side by side. Whatever information we are able to grasp, we should do it right away. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys gonna subscribe it, comment below for any doubts you have, and thank you so much for watching us.